it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So I'm back with my Melody Susie Fleur-Wee gift box set, and I've taken out everything that I want to use in today's set. So I've already sized some tips to fit, so we're going to get into today's video. So I've decided to go in on the base with P11. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm literally going to get this pink all over the nail. Now it has got such a slight shimmer, but I think it's the perfect nude that I need for this nails today. So I have an idea as to what I want to do, and I'm going to trust the process because I do think the colors should work. So we're going to do this. Now I already have another set in mind for my next video, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any notifications, like when I upload or go live and things like that. Right, now I'm going to do a 30-second cure. So this is after 2 coats, and I've wiped away the tacky layer, and I did 1 French, if you can see that on that nail. That's 1 coat of the white. Now I am putting it on, so I kind of just get this 1 coat coverage that I know this polish is capable of. I also just love the subtle scents that immerse in the air from these polishes. It's so nice. Now I'll probably do another French. Really, I just want it to be a little French, really, like the other one. So now I'm going to fill in. I think I want to do another swirl to kind of match that side. And again, I'm just going to use the gel on my palette to fill in the white area. All done. I have added some matte top coat onto the nails because now I want to add these stickers before I do the nail art. Okay, so I'm so sorry for going out of shot. So this is what I mean. I've just used some of the vines from the stickers, and I do have some leaves as well. I can ever get this off my hand. So I want to say, like, and just add the leaf. Might want to change the position if I can, but if I can't, I'll leave it. Okay, so now for the daisies. So I'm thinking these ones that are kind of like oh, I put it on the wrong side, sorry. So I'm thinking if I add another leaf there, and that's definitely helpful. Sunflower there, not sunflower, a daisy. So I'm going to put one of these down here on the side that I can place. There. So I'm just pressing it down just to make sure everything is in place, and I've just got the thumb, so I think I want, let's get a whole one here. I'll bring one of these ones the other side. Okay, I just want to show you because I've top coated 2 nails, and honestly the way these stickers come to life is so mesmerizing. So I'm going to do a 30-second cure. So on my palette I have P03, which is the black, and look. So that's all I have left to do basically on this set. So I am using the smaller dotting tool. So while the nail is still wet, I'm pouring some clear acrylic from Bexy Glow onto the black. Now, because I have used no wipe top coat and top coated the rest of the nail, I know that there is no other tacky layer on this nail, and so the acrylic will only adhere to the black. All I need now is a cowl. That's all I need. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are how the nails look. I've put them on. What do we think? Let's add a bit of flash. So these are the nails using the colours I got in my Flowy gift box set. There's the thumb. Absolutely love it. The only thing missing is a cow, but we've got the prints. I'm Mama Does Nails, guys, and I'm out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments. what we're thinking. I think that they turned out looking really cool. Moo. No joke. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the nails in the comments. My Mama Does Nails, guys, and I'm out. Bye.